Hello everyone, welcome again to the class heterocyclic compounds. So in the last class we have discussed about the structure of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. So in this class we are going to study about electrophilic substitution reactions in 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, that is in furan, pyrrole and thiophene. So let us see here, that is 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. I have taken X. So this X may be nitrogen or oxygen or thiophene. So whenever electrophilic substitution reactions in 5-membered rings. So when an electrophile reacts with the 5-membered heterocycles, there is a possibility of attacking the electrophile at the position 2 or at the position 3. So same here also, this is called position 2 and this is position 3. So either it may go to position 2 or position 3. So at which position the electrophile will attack? So let us say, suppose the electrophile attacks at the position 2. So these are the resonance structures of intermediate ion formed. So whenever at the position 2 electrophile attacks, the bond electrons are shifted here. So it gets a positive charge. Then that charge rotates among the molecule. So there are 1, 2 and 3 intermediate resonance forms are formed, and after that a proton is removed and it gives a substituted product. Suppose electrophile attacks at the position 3, then it forms 2 intermediates. So it gives an intermediate ion which is resonance stabilized, that forms only 2 resonance structure. So as you know, if number of resonance structures are more, then the molecule is more stable. So for the ion also, if the number of resonance structures are more, then ion will be stabilized. So at the position 2, when the attack takes place, it gives more stabilized product. So that's why at the position 2 is more preferred for these electrophilic substitution reactions. So let us see electrophilic substitution reactions in pyrrole, chlorination and nitration. So for chlorination, thionyl chloride, pyrrole treated with thionyl chloride in presence of ether at low temperature, that is 0 degree centigrade, it gives 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole. All the 4 positions are substituted. All the 4 hydrogens are substituted with Cl and it gives 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole. While in the nitration, already you studied nitration. So for the nitration you are using nitrating mixture, that is mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. But here more stronger acid. So here stronger acid is not used. Instead of that, instead of sulfuric acid, here acetic anhydride is used as a catalyst. Instead of sulfuric acid, acetic anhydride is used as catalyst. Otherwise, the nitrogen, lone pair of electrons present on the nitrogen will react with the sulfuric acid and it forms a salt instead of the substituted product. So that's why weak acid is used. That is also anhydrous acetic acid is taken at low temperature 10 degrees centigrade. Nitration takes place and it gives 2-nitropyrrole. Sulfonation. Pyrrole when treated with sulfur trioxide. So here also instead of sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide is taken. Sulfuric acid being a strong base, it reacts with the lone pair electrons of nitrogen and it would give, so when it treated with sulfuric acid, it reacts with the H plus of sulfuric acid and it forms NH bond and it becomes plus. So it gives a salt. It reacts with acid and gives a salt. Therefore, strong acid is it is not used here. Instead of that, sulfur trioxide is used. Sulfur trioxide in pyridine is taken and at 100 degree centigrade it gives 2-pyrrole sulfonic acid. Suppose the halogenation. In the halogenation, there may be chlorination, bromination or iodination. All are called halogenation reactions. So already we have studied or seen, that is when treated with thionyl chloride in presence of ether at low temperature, it gives 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. When it is treated with bromine in ethanol at 0 degree centigrade, it gives 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. So it is more susceptible for halogenation. So all the 4 carbons, the hydrogens of all the 4 carbons are substituted with halogen. So it gives tetrahalopyrrole. So when it is treated with thionyl chloride, chlorination takes place. When treated with bromine in ethanol at low temperature, it gives 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. And when treated with iodine plus aqueous Ki, in presence of aqueous Ki, it gives 2,3,4,5 tetraidopyrrole. So this tetraidopyrrole possesses antiseptic properties and used in medicine under the name iodole. So as iodole means it is 2,3,4,5 tetraidopyrrole. It having antiseptic properties. So it is used in preparation of antiseptics. So these are the reactions: halogenation, nitration and sulfonation are examples for electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole. The same reactions, so we are studying as chlorination or halogenation, then nitration and sulfonation as electrophilic substitution reactions in pyrrole, furan and thiophene. So let us come to furan. So again here I have given the electrophilic substitution. The furan undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at a second position. So as a general we have seen. So suppose you want to write the mechanism, that is why the substitution, electrophilic substitution takes place at position 2. So at that time you have to give these structures. So see here, as it goes to the second position C2, then when electrophile attacks at C2, there are 3 resonating ions are formed, resonating structures are formed. The intermediate ion stabilized by forming a resonance structure and it give 3 resonance structure. But when at the position 3 attack takes place, it gives only 2 intermediate ions. Sorry, the intermediate ion forms only 2 resonating structures. So here the number of resonating structures are more. Therefore, the ion formed is more stabilized than the attack at C3. Therefore, C2 attack gives more resonance contributing structures than C3. So stability generates, extra stability generates upon C2 attack. Therefore furan undergo electrophilic substitution reactions at second position. So same you have to write it for thiophene also. Why thiophene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at second position, or why pyrrole undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at second position. So you have to write the resonating structures of intermediate ion at C2 attack and C3 attack. So whether which position gives more resonance stabilized intermediate ion, so that is more preferred product. So here C2 attack gives more resonance contributing structures. Therefore extra stable contributing structure generates upon C2 attack. So electrophilic substitution takes place at second position. So let us see the examples for electrophilic substitutions. So first one, nitration. So when furan treated with, I have written here sodium acetate. So it should be sodium nitrate, NO3. Here it is NO3, CH3, COO, NO2. Nitroacetate. So when furan treated with nitroacetate, it gives 2-nitrofuran. So here the furan requires still more less acidic conditions to give to undergo substitution. So instead of a nitrating mixture, that is HNO3 and H2SO4, here we are taking very weak acid, that is nitroacetate. So when furan treated with nitroacetate, it undergoes nitration and gives 2-nitrofuran. When furan treated with sulfur trioxide in pyridine at 70 degrees centigrade, furan 3-sulfonic acid is obtained. And when treated with chlorine at minus 40 degrees centigrade, because it is more susceptible to halogenation or to chlorination. Therefore very less temperature is required for this reaction. So when furan treated with chlorine at minus 40 degrees centigrade, it gives mixture of products, that is 2-chlorofuran, 2,5-dichlorofuran, 2,3,5-trichlorofuran, 2,3,4,5-tetrachlorofuran. So these all mixtures are obtained on chlorination. We are not getting any single product here. We are getting mono-substituted, di, tri and tetra substituted products, mixture of all these products. So suppose if you require only one mono-substituted product, suppose 2-chlorofuran or 2-bromofuran is required. The chlorination or bromination is same. When it is treated with chlorine at minus 40 degrees centigrade, it gives number of chloro-substituted products. Suppose bromination is carried out at minus 40 degrees centigrade, then it gives bromo-substituted product. So let us see, for example, we require 2-bromofuran, but on direct halogenation, it gives number of products, mixture of number of products. Suppose we require only pure 2-bromofuran, and then we are taking derivative of furan for the reaction. For halogenation, derivative of furan. So here for example, furoic acid is used. So furoic acid at the second position COH group is present. So one of the position is blocked. Now at the another second position, that is fifth position, is free. So whenever there is another substituent is present, for example here COH is present, it is less susceptible. So it will not undergo the substitution at 3, 4, 5 like that. So it undergoes substitution at the next second position, that is position 5. So on bromination it gives 2-bromofluoric acid. Now on heating it undergoes decarboxylation. CO2 is removed, decarboxylation. So it gives 2-bromofuran. So like that, suppose we want only a mono-substituted product, then derivative of furan or derivative of thiophene is used. So these are reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. So suppose we want the electrophilic substitution reactions of thiophene, they are also same. So instead of a furan, you take here thiophene. So when thiophene treated with nitroacetate, it gives 2-nitrothiophene. When it is treated with sulfur trioxide in pyridine, it gives thiophene 3-sulfonic acid. And when treated with halogens, that is chlorine or bromine, it gives mono, di, tri and tetra substituted thiophene. So the reactions of furan and thiophene are same. So I have not given again. Now let us see reactivity towards electrophilic substitution. Pyrrole, furan and thiophene are all much more reactive than benzene towards electrophilic substitution reactions. So among that, thiophene is more susceptible for or it is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution than benzene. Furan is more reactive than thiophene. Pyrrole is more reactive than furan. So among all these three, pyrrole is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. So in the next class, we'll see or we'll study 6-membered heterocyclic compounds containing one heteroatom. Thank you.